This is the Nebraska Sunset Wall Basket Kit. Sale price is 40 bucks. The basket is sold separately because a lot of you have this basket already, so we wanted to make a design that is perfect for this very specific Tracy rattan wall basket that we have in our online store. This kit includes a jumbo draping amaranthus, a Real Touch hybrid freesia, Real Touch Boston fern, nice limey color, and a wildflower bush. The optional add-on Tracy rattan basket is 29 bucks.
29, okay. Well, this is the pre-made piece that makes it all so easy. This is a drop-in, that we would call it. Comes with this fun mix of colors and textures. This does match the wreath that we just designed earlier. So it's kind of a companion piece to a wreath. This is bent here because this is the key piece that we're going to wire everything to, and you can see how nicely it fits into the wall basket. It pops right in there. So leaving the stem itself is actually stabilizing it in the basket. I don't want to remove the stem, but we are in fact just going to add some layers here. So we'll place that fern underneath it. And then our freesia is just gonna be cut off. That one we probably cut a good 6 inches off the stem. It sweeps off to the side. And it looks great. It's in 3 sections, so you can kind of get it to sweep one direction. And that seems to have the best look. It's mixing in there, but it is a bright coral. So it has a match to a couple of the tiny flowers in the mixed bundle, but it really amps up the coral color. So I like adding it in there. And then the star of the show here is going to be this amaranthus piece. So I did cut a big chunk of the stem off. And this is also just going to drape out. I have some of it, let's see, 1, 2, 3. There's like 3 or 4 sections. And you can see if I hold it open here that the direction of it can kind of sweep the same way as the freesia did. So all of the design sort of has a movement one way. And wiring it up, you could use a bendy vine to wire it together. You could use a piece of wire like I am here. Maybe give it a couple of wraps. It's a lot of big thick stems. And I'm definitely gonna use a pliers to tighten that down and get it good and tight. There we go. And again, with another little wrap area here, I've got to ensure that it stays not twisting apart, so it's staying together. Let's see how we did. If you wanted to make this look a little neater at the base, you could use some bendy vine to cover all the wire you just placed. And now we're just gonna tuck it in there firmly. And it goes in pretty easy, guys. It's not hard to do at all. It's just the right amount of product to wedge into the basket where it would not have to be glued or wired in place, but you could work some wire over it if you were worried that it was going to come out wherever you had it hanging. So that is the whole design. So easy. It's essentially just a quick and easy basket drop-in.
Beautiful piece.